Hello guys, I am Jitendra from Lightstreamers Private Limited and I am going to present my plugin that is the binary MLM plan that is used for the multi-level marketing purpose and we have created this one for the WordPress CMS. So I am just explaining to you with this one documentations as we have given or write the documentation as well. So the minimum requirement for the our software with the WordPress is the PHP 7.4 or greater should be there, and MySQL 5.6 or greater, or MariaDB 10.1 or greater should be. You can run the website on any server like the Nginx and Apache server. So HTTPS support should be there. Now we are going to the present that how we will set up the plan. Basically, we have created our plan and we have a website where you can purchase our plan. That is the mlmtrees.com. This is the mlmtrees.com, and there you can purchase the WordPress plans. We have the other plans as well. So this is the binary MLM plan pro plugin, and we will describe here something more detail in the detail. But right now, I am just creating the videos for you so you can easily understand our plan. Here is the documentation of the plan, and here is the admin demo URL. This is the front end demo URL for the plan. So if you need to purchase, then definitely you can put your website here and here the license based on the year. So this is the our plan or the product that you can purchase. But right now I am going to present or show you or the update you regarding our plan. So you need to first of all have plugin, that is the binary MLM plan pro plugin, and you don't need any other supportive plugin to run this one plan. But if you don't have the email settings there or email functionality, then you need to install the SMTP related to the SMTP setup. Any plugin you can select from the WordPress directory, and from where you can set up the SMTP by which you can get mails, so you can notify and the other customers also can be notified for that one. Now I am going to the here. Suppose already I have put the our plugin in the plugins directory of the WordPress, and I run this one as a admin. So right now just I am going to the plugins section, and there I am putting this one binary MLM plan, and I am just clicking the active. So this has been activated. Now if I am going to the settings part, then first of all this will say that the register first user. So this is the main or root user of the binary MLM plan. Uh, so this is called the basically the root user. So I am just going to the present like this one, or I will put this one as a user one. So we can sequentially register some members or the users. Okay. So user one, and that is this user is controlled by the admin directly. So I am just putting here the 12345 6 password, 12345 6 password here, and here email is user1 at the rate test.com, and user and one. I am just putting these things, and as this has been created, after this one, these settings comes like the general settings, eligibility, payout, bonus, level commission, EPIN, licensing. So let me explain one by one everything. Okay. So in the first video, basically in this one video, I will just update you about the settings, what the mean of those one, and how our system works. And after that, I will also show you the front-end functionality, how that goes, okay? So in the general settings, as we created the first user, that user directly the paid member, because that user should not purchase anything or ePNL like that one, okay? So no need to have that one functionality for that first user. Now I am going to the general settings, cron job URL. This is the URL in which we can schedule the functionality or the some operations that needs to be automatically run. So because the admin, if the admin will use this one URL, then directly at that same time the functionality will execute. But admin no need to have the scheduler like this one. So these control panel or the servers have the cron job functionality by which the schedules can be happen. Okay. So this is the currency basically, why which the administrator or the company, whatever the company is running the MLM plan, that will deliver or send the money to the users or the members. Okay. So I am just having this one, the Indian currency INR affiliate user redirect page. So suppose whenever the affiliate URL will be copy or use, then after that one, the user will or the page will be show to the user, that is this one settings. So here we need to have the register basically. After registering, redirect after registering, so we can have after redirect registering like that one, the dashboard. I am just putting the dashboard, you can choose any one pages, okay. Active EPIN, this is the necessary part basically. Use yes. This is the EPIN length. This is the representation like this, the how much characters you want to have in your EPIN. So this is the EPIN length. This may be the 8 minimum and the maximum may be the 15. So we have given here the 8 to 15's range, and this will be selected by the admin to select. This is the autofill functionality. Autofill functionality, it means that if you have selected the autofill functionality, then definitely this cannot be changed later, because if one or more members has been registered in the system, then it cannot be unchecked or like that the change the settings. The withdrawal minimum, withdrawal limit basically. This is the criteria for the withdrawing the earnings of the member. So there is the given like the 1,000 and the 10 lakhs maximum. We have given the 10 lakhs maximum. Okay. So you can put anything settings here. So this is the like that the minimum user should be withdrawal request for the 1,000 and maximum so the 10 lakhs. So just I am putting here and I am saving this one informations. So save settings, save general settings here. Now I am going to the eligibility settings. Very basically, this is the direct paid referrals. So this is the eligibility settings, direct paid referrals. So direct referral means suppose I am the member and I am referring the members by my sponsor or my referral link, or the users are registering in the system by using me as a referral or sorry, a sponsor. So those members will be the my directs. Does not matter the what the position of those members on the binary MLM network, because the binary MLM has the 2 lakhs only on left and right. So that's why reason the members can be added any place based on the empty and based on the parent functionality. I will explain later about the parent functionality, but right now I am updating you about the eligibility settings. So this is the paid direct referral. It's mean that the two, you should have the two direct referral under you, then you will be eligible to get the commissions. So I am just putting here like that the one, because whatever the minimum eligibility criteria will be, the users can get some or members can get some more money rather than the if we are having the some high eligibility criteria there. Left leg direct referral, right leg direct referrals. So left leg, it's mean that in this case, if I am putting the one, then it may be in the left leg or the left network, the one member should be the direct member. It means that I should be the sponsor of the one member that should be in the left, or in the right side or right network, one member should be like that, that is registered by my referral link, or the member register with the help of my me as a sponsor name. Okay, so this is the basically related to the eligibility settings section. Now I am going to update about the payouts. So this is the basically the payout sections where the commissions consider. So I am just putting here the pair because the binary works based on the pair. So I am presenting here regarding the pair, further pair, initial pair, all things. So what the consider the pair? Pair basically is the combination of the left and the right sections. So we are considering here the left and right as a member. So in the case of the pair, the left we have the two members and right we have the one member. So this should be the direct members under me. So then I will get the one pair, like the two in the left or one in the right, or one in the left and two in the right. So I take this one as a combination 2:1. So in this case, in the left side, two parents, two childs, that should be the direct referral. And it may be that the two direct members can be in the right section or right network, and one member can be in the left network. So in that case, the pair will be considered. Further pair, 1:1, I have the 1:1. It's mean that in the left side, one direct referral should be, in the right side, one direct referral should be, then I will get the one pair. Let me explain about the pair and the further pair. So pair, it's mean that initial pair basically. Suppose example, I am giving the two pairs. Two pairs, it's mean that initial pair is the two. So the first pair and the second pair will be considered based on the 2:1 ratio. Okay. After that, if I am putting like that one, the further pair. So further pair, after that are two pairs, the pair will be considered as a one left member and one right member. That will be as the further pair. So there is the only on the limitations like that one. From this range to this range, it's mean that from first pair to the whatever we are providing in the initial pairs, till that number of count, the pair will be considered as a 2:1 or 1:2 ratio. After that, whatever the pair will be considered as a 1:1 ratio. So this is the basically initial pair and the further pairs. So I just give here the initial pair. It means that whatever the pairs in the section of the pair, 2:1 or 1:1, 1:2 I have given, that will be only on the two pairs in the network for the each member. Now I am going to the initial pair amount. So this is the initial pair amount. It's mean that whatever the initial pairs, it's mean that we have the two settings for the initial pair. Number of the two pairs should be initial pair. So whenever the member is getting the two pairs, first pair, in that case, the 200 Indian currency will be the commission of the member. That will be the pair commission consider. And we have given here the fixed and the percentage type. So I am considering here the fixed only on right now. You can consider percentage here. So the here is the EPIN system. So amount of the EPIN system will be considered for the percentage. Now I am giving here the further pair amount. So whatever the after the two pairs, whatever the pairs will be here, the amount of those pairs will be the 300. Here the direct referral commission. So here the one we consider or calculated like that the pair commission. Another commission is here is the direct referral commission. So direct referral commission is like that one. Suppose I am the member and with the help of my referral link, someone register under me, then I am the sponsor of that member. So I will get the direct referral commission 100 INR, and that I have already fixed this one. Service charges, this is the service charges that will be applied by the company, and this is depend on the company, not any plan or ETCs. Tax deduction, these are the tax deductions, whatever you want to have the tax deductions, that will be here. I am going to the bonuses. Basically, I have already added these things. Bonuses is like that one. What the extra amount as a earning member can have by this one plan. So I have given here the two things like the number of pair and number of personal referrals. So I have given here the two types of the bonuses like the based on the number of pairs, based on the number of personal referrals. So I consider here the number of the personal referral, but you can consider number of pairs as well. Okay. So the two direct referrals, if I have the two direct referral, then I will get the 100 INR. If I have the five direct referral, then I will get the further 200 INR. If I have the seven direct referral, then I will have the 300 INR. So I am just putting these one only on the seven till the seven direct referral, and you can add something more there. I am just for the testing purpose like this one, and for the video purpose. Now I am coming on the labels. So I have given here the five labels, and this is the enable or disable settings for the labels commission. If I will put here this one and will save, then from here, the left section, the EPIN settings or number of EPINs or EPIN settings will be removed from there. Okay. So I need to, if you need the label commission, then definitely you need to enable this one settings. So just I am saving this one. Now label commission is here. So already I have given the label commissions for the five labels like the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and crown. So in the case of the bronze, the bronze is the first level. So 200 amount will be get to the members that have the bronze level there. So there is the criteria basically for the bronze level as well. And the silver level, so 300 INR, gold level 400 INR, platinum 500 INR, crown 550 INR. Now I am coming on the EPIN sections basically. Let me explain about the EPIN. EPIN is the term or the functionality by which we can get the amount from the members as a cash or by the check, and we provide the EPIN, whatever the digit we consider in the settings, 8 digits, 10 digits, EPIN. And if the member at the registration time using that EPIN and that EPIN is the valid EPIN, then definitely that member will be the paid member, and the commissions, for the commissions he will be eligible because he is the paid member, he or she is the paid member. So here we have given some settings for the EPINs like that one, EPIN regular or free. So you don't need to use the free. I just put this one as a someone wants to have the free EPIN and wants to make the payment payable persons to them. That's why reason we have that one. But if you need to have, then as a paid or a member should pay the money, then definitely you should consider the regular EPIN. So here regular EPIN I selected, EPIN name just I uh, package one, I have this one name, and price of this one, suppose the 4,000 INR, and number of EPINs, suppose I consider here the 10 only on. Okay. So as I click here, and if I will go to the EPIN reports here, you will check package one is there, the EPIN price is there, type is there, and sold EPIN. It means that 10 EPIN already has been created. Okay. So these are the EPINs, but these did not used yet. So now I am coming here. From here, you can also generate some more EPINs like that. I am putting the 50 EPINs here. So the 50 EPINs has been generated from here, and here this is showing the 60 EPINs. Okay. So every EPIN will be shown here. Okay. So this is the amount. For these, like the EPIN request and the export functionality, about these things, I will explain something later, but let me explain whatever we have remaining in the configurations part basically. Because in the admin settings, always we need to come to show the everything, whatever the running right now. So this is the basically part of the configurations. From here, the distribution commission or the payout run, these are the section whenever the commission or the member is able to get the commission. So whenever we click on these things, the list of the commissions according to the members show there, and we distribute manually by this one. And by the automatically we can consider by the cron job. So now I am considering is this one, that you have got the all informations regarding the settings of the binary MLM plan. If you have any query, then you can put me on my comment box. I will put every informations related to me like that, you can contact me by the WhatsApp, Skype, or the email directly. So hope this is the fine for you, and I will create the other videos for you so you can easily understand our plan or our plugin as well. Thank you for this one, and I will provide you some more videos. I will put every like the documentations and the uh, communications way by which you can communicate to me. So thank you for this one, and I will update you some more videos, and please subscribe on my channel so you can get some more videos notifications at your end. Thank you.